What if your fear could be your greatest ally in times of danger? This intriguing question lies at the heart of Gavin de Becker's seminal work, The Gift of Fear. As a renowned security specialist, de Becker has spent his career predicting violent behavior, and his insights are nothing short of revolutionary. In this book, de Becker challenges us to reframe our understanding of fear. Instead of viewing it as a paralyzing force, he guides us to see fear as a powerful tool for survival. Fear, he argues, is an innate instinct that can alert us to real threats and guide us away from danger. By tuning in to these survival signals, we can harness our fear and protect ourselves from violence. This is not about living in a state of constant anxiety, but rather learning to trust and respond to our instincts in a world that can sometimes be unpredictable and dangerous. Fear, as Gavin de Becker presents it, is not a curse, but a gift. Imagine if you could read fear like a language. Wouldn't that be a powerful tool? In Gavin de Becker's book, The Gift of Fear, Survival Signals that Protect Us from Violence, he presents fear not as a debilitating emotion, but as a survival signal. It's an ancient, ingrained response that alerts us to danger. Picture it as a language, a primal dialect that our ancestors spoke fluently, which we've somehow forgotten. Intuition is a central theme in de Becker's narrative. He argues that it is not some mystical, abstract concept, but a powerful tool in recognizing danger. It's our subconscious mind piecing together information faster than our conscious mind can comprehend. De Becker backs this up with real-life examples where intuition has saved lives, proving its validity and importance. We're talking about that gut feeling, that inexplicable dread that something's off. That is your instinct, your intuition, your survival language speaking. Intuition is not some mystical power, but a natural instinct that can protect us from harm. So, how do you apply this gift of fear in your everyday life? The answer lies in understanding the practical takeaways from the book. The key is to recognize the warning signs of violence, which are often subtle. These signs could be an intense stare, a clenched jaw, or a sudden change in voice tone. These are your survival signals, your instincts telling you that something is not right. In potentially dangerous situations, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't dismiss these feelings. Instead, use them as a guide to navigate through the situation safely. These insights are not limited to personal safety. They can be applied in various contexts, from navigating a dark parking lot at night to assessing a potentially volatile situation at work. Remember, understanding fear does not mean living in a constant state of anxiety. It's about using fear as a tool to heighten your awareness and make safer decisions. Recognizing the gift of fear can empower you to make safer decisions. What if we stopped seeing fear as a weakness and started seeing it as a strength? This is a central theme in The Gift of Fear. The book encourages us to reframe our understanding of fear, not as something to avoid, but as a potent force for protection. It's about recognizing that fear, in its purest form, is a survival instinct. It's a primal response that's been honed through millennia to keep us safe from harm. When we understand this, we can use this instinct to our advantage. Fear becomes an ally, a guide that can help us navigate through life's challenges with a heightened sense of awareness and precaution. We're encouraged to embrace fear as a tool of empowerment. It's about shifting our perspective and seeing fear as a protective force, a guardian that alerts us to potential threats and guides us towards safety. The gift of fear is not about living in constant dread, but about living with an empowered awareness.